Look at the box. Look at the box. Remember, Papa, when we used to...
Come on. Do be a good video, girl.
Come on. What it says? Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Just, what
Share your best photos with us. We are grateful
God.
for small things, big things, and everything in between. We appreciate your support or small business. If you have any questions regarding your order, please contact us, your Underground Reptiles team. Wow, and then somebody really wrote it. Like, took the time to actually write that.
So this is, maybe turn up here. Now it's going to be acquainted with one and only albino. Jaws.
Oh my God.
I want it.
No,
Oh my God. Jaws, qué lindo. Open it up. Hi, buddy.
How about
Mommy. Oh, that is the most precious little thing ever.
You got a lot of...
Yeah, it's okay. It's going to go to the water.
Oh, I want to hold it. Wait, let me hold it.
Wait. We have perfumes in our hands and everything, Dad. Put them in the... It's so cute. Look at this. Look at the eyes, guys. Look at the eyes.
Soap. Love
it.
I want to hold it. Ma, you're doing it too close. I can't focus, my love. Don't hire her for your wedding, even.
Oh my God! Look at the shell, guys. Look at the shell. Look at the shell. How beautiful.
The eyes are red. The albino.
Actually, put them in here, on top of here. Put them in here. Qué lindo. Oh, ay Dios. That's so cute. Just take him and put him in the water already. He's very alert. Ah, great. Se fue.
Adios, amigos.
What you can say, babe. So cute, babe. Beautiful, Jess.
All right, excuse me. Let me get my little...
Yeah.
Yanni, wait. Come on, so we can leave already.
Yeah, so we could go. You're gonna see him.
He lets me pet him.
Mm-hmm. Oh. It's beautiful, guys. Congratulations. You got yourself another baby.
Yanni, come on, so we could go.
I just let her put it in the tank, though.
He lets me pet him. Wash your hands. Don't watch it. Don't touch your face.
Mm-hmm. Look, come on. Yes.
Where should I put him?
Just put it down.
I have to care about it.
Oh, he's very alert. I love it. Look at his face. Qué lindo de chulería.
Hi, illegal.
I love the faces on turtles.
Wait, her name or him or her is illegal, and the other one is what?
Huh?
What's the other turtle's name?
I don't know. You couldn't ask.
So that one name's illegal. Yeah. Legal, illegal.
Thank you, baby.
Let's go.
Look, he's fast.
He has a new turtle.
Yes.